Hello, beautiful people. You are welcome to MWH-Cook and Chat. Please, if today is your first time, subscribe and be part of us. Thank you so much. Today we are going to talk about authentic Ghanaian palava sauce. Me da si bebre, ye frame oba pefia. Ye no nyina na etwagu no message no description ho eya na wakwa akwohwe. So sha ye twetwe ye no fine. Na eja ye ba be blend it. Se wunua de tomatoes, fresh tomatoes eba eya memfatin tomatoes enye hwe. Enti we no ubetumi atchope no ma no betope so ha be blend. Enti wo hwa anse da amfi pii partially blend. Enti yenko ye leaves na so. We a cocoyam leaves. You can use any type of green leaves that you have, provided say enye true. You can also use spinach to represent cocoyam leaves in palava sauce. There are a lot of leaves that you can use. How you cut them is absolutely up to you. Inti you trying to come here now I wash your down with a little salt, and you make sure say ube rinse and now ube several times to get rid of the salt. Sebeya inkonku try with anymore. After that, you put it in a strainer or something that the water can come out completely, and you keep it as you go on to start the base. Palava sauce is eaten in all parts of Ghana and is highly rated. It is very delicious and it goes well with rice, yams, potatoes, plantain, cassava, eba, and a lot more. With that, so ye palava sauce, ubetumi the red oil, ubetumi the white oil, any oil at all, you can use it to make your palava sauce. So wo sha, ye no man ya blending, ni nyina ubetumi the fresh into woman insiso ncha kra. Ehuru kakra bia just after 3 or 4 minutes. Now the smoke fish no egum. With the salt aka ho, now the spices aka ho. Mr. Wo no aduane na obetumi anya unprocessed ingredients. Use them instead of using processed ingredients. Spices ye na ye. Media link in our description is for all purpose. You can use it. Afi wunu mu kakra na all the vegetables na aka ho na wakata so. We kata so na wahwe agushi no ene egg no na waka abom. Agushi no make sure say wahwe agu nsuom asese free me bi wo na abo wa ase sene ameye no. Afi so ya kai ne fa enchine kakra etum. Udi tum so anumu yie sene ebe ya ebe fra kama. Na ekosua no bema agushi no timi abobo fine. Agushi no so ko market aye wo mutu ebi soso ebi sisa. Eya choose enketwa no. Eno no to make kedel kama emma. Enti sa wo hwa green vegetables no aboto kama eha emmene ye but vapor na aka no. Enti kosua eni agushi no na mehwie aguso no because emmene ensuo wom enti wo hwie aguso a na wakata so kama. Ehu hia so obekwa akwachi agushi no different place ansa na waba be hwie aguso. Obo se bebo fine. Ye de yam nso so akwakosi so. Enti afi yenhwe agushi na yenu ayi kama. Enti we na agushi ne bebren no ne nkontomre ne so aben. Enti the same energy na wo de no nkontomre ne eno na be no agushi no. You don't need to go and set another fire for the agushi before you come and pour it in stew. Enti hase the stew is almost done. Osha akusua no beginning na yetu me ye na me se kire oba tan se sa wakakra wom salmon wom na ntwenam ka ho enti we de memenyi ba konfre so eduane no aye ready brasia mu a bra me ni de me dofu meso pa se aka few days na ye wrabrinyam ye sa we election year mu afi se ni me no ka bo mu se ya na ewema ye hyehye obia me pentam be mesro ma mreka krea kai fahwa wo ho so yie na me hu mobo na omwa ukọ ba bia make sure say obebantem Me that's it. So any the video you want subscribe, comment, like it, share for all your loved ones. See you in our next video. Bye.